Today we'll talk about this small stand fan. So it's basically a 5-blade stand fan. It's a small electric fan, and I ordered this for roughly 250 pesos, which comes out to be about seven US dollars. So it's pretty cheap. This is the actual packaging of the product. So what what's inside this box? It's moving actually. You could hear the noise. It's moving. So let's open the box to see what's inside. So this is basically the box of the product. So it's like this. The fan is this, and all the way here. So there's nothing that covers the fan, and this is what it's called: 5-leaf retractable floor fan XY880. Two sets. I'm not sure what it means by two sets. So model XY880 50 Hertz. Sorry, XY880 50 Hertz power is 220 volts, 25 watts, and okay. Let's open the box. So the box, if you notice, it's a thin box. Right, it's not a thick box. It easily bends. So let's open the box. It contains this. I suppose this is like the, and this. Sorry, I have to move the video cam. So it's all plastic, basically. This one is plastic, this is plastic, and everything's plastic, basically. Nothing else on the box. No instructions, no anything. This is the instruction on how to use the fan, but as far as assembling the fan, there's none here, so I have to figure out how to assemble the fan first. So it comes with this, and this, I'm assuming this is the propeller, and the stand. I think this is the stand itself, and I think this one holds it here. So now let's see. I'm now in the process of assembling the fan. I'm just guessing. There is no manual, so hopefully this works. Oh, sorry. So over here, there's also like the on-off switch here and the power. Let me try it. Before anything, let's see if it works. Oops, it works. I'm just about to assemble it again. Take two, and I will we will have to assemble it again. So basically, this is the fan. So it's pretty strong actually. Just turn off the off switch. The on switch. Oops. Too near the camera. Sorry. It works. So now I just have to stick this to the electric fan. Oh, in here, there's like something inside here. So, I see. This might be like the height adjuster for the unit. Yep. Adjuster for the fan. Maybe this needs to be put inside first. For this. that's it, and we'll just have to insert this screw into that hole. So there's this and this. I'm not sure where, but since this is circle, I'm assuming it goes to the circle portion. Circular portion, so this is a circular portion. We're just twisting this to make it stick. Place the screw at the other side. The screw. Oops. Should be straight. Oops. It needs to be redone. Should be straight. Like this. So now this is how it looks like right now. So the 5 blades, this one, the rotary, this, and this one. So this is adjustable. This is now how it looks like. So this is how the fan looks like right now. So this and this. So let's attach this one to this. Cool. This is how the fan looks like right now. I'll try to turn it on and see if it works or not, and to see how stable it is. So I'll just put this video on hold for now. For the 3rd time, I'm fixing this one again. So apparently, the one how I did it earlier wasn't strong enough. It was still loose. So you have to push it until the very end. So like this, it should lock here. So that was the reason why it was quite loose earlier. So I'll attach the 3 other ones here. That's the sound. Click. There should be like the click sound. And here. capacitor is here. So it looks like this right now. So I'll move the camera. So this is how it looks like right now. And this can still be extended up. So let me show you how it looks like when it's extended. So I'll just put this video on hold again. This is how the fan looks like right now. So I'll try to extend it up. And that's how you lock it. So basically, this is the fan is as tall as this. It's about 4 feet high. Fully extended, it's about 4 feet high. Now let's try to see if once I open the fan, how fast it would work. So I'm turning on the fan right now. This is the off stage and this is the on stage. Fast actually, if you see the blade, you can see the blade actually, it's moving quite fast. And the sound. It might be a little bit dangerous, especially if there are kids in the area. At least the good thing here is that everything is made out of plastic, so in case someone bumps into the fan or into the propeller, they won't cut themselves. But the air is pretty strong, quite solid. So for just $300 or 300 pesos, or roughly 350 pesos, I mean, or roughly $7 US. This fan is legit. This works. So pretty nice. But if you're looking for a sturdy electric fan, I suggest you get the branded ones. And it might be safer as well. That's it. So bottom line here is, if you're trying to get something cheap, this is a good option. But if you have a better budget, then it might be better to get an electric fan with a cover, basically, for more security for everyone. Better safety for everyone, basically. So, yep. Thank you for watching and see you again. Well, that's the sound when you're turning it off.